If life is feeling like it's just a little bit too much, you're not alone. Strong women like you tend to not to buckle under pressure, but to absorb all the pressure. And I am a certified spiritual teacher, and I work with women 40 and over to help them release that overwhelm so that they can return to calm again. And in this video, I'm going to share 4 insights with you that will help you to return to calm too. And the 4th one is often the surprise. So strong women don't buckle under pressure. You absorb everything, all the expectations from other people, their emotions, lots and lots of responsibility, and worries about what may happen in the future. And what happens is that your nervous system just absorbs all of that. And lots of times you may think that you have to try harder, you have to push more in order to reach that calm. But that's not how the nervous system works. It wants you to release, to relax, to return to yourself, and that will make your life a lot easier. So let me ask you this. Just scan your body right now. And how are you feeling? Do you feel calm and relaxed right now? Or are you feeling tense? Are you feeling stressed out? Maybe you can leave a comment below the video here as to how you're feeling. And either way, do this short reset with me. Just breathe in, nice deep breath through your nose, and loosen any tightness in your shoulders, your neck, your jaws, or across your forehead. And then just breathe out. You've probably noticed that your shoulders have dropped a bit. And what this does is it lets your nervous system know that it's okay to relax. It's okay to release. And in next weekend, I am going to be guiding a live release where you can join us to just release this pressure that you've been holding all this time to return to calm. If you'd be interested in that, I haven't put together all the details yet, but if you just comment calm below the video here, I'll send you the details when they're all set. And if you'd like something before that, before next weekend, I have the Calm in the Moment. It's a short reset that I put together. It's an audio reset, and you can find the link for that below here. So if you join us, or if you would like the reset, that's fine either way. But the thing is, you don't have to carry it all. Return to calm, return to yourself.